I think opening week is a one-of-a-lifetime experience. I think I said that, but I'm still flabbergasted from last year's opening week.
Leuphana is a very unique university with a very special spirit, and I think during the opening week all the students have the possibility to experience this spirit from the beginning and to become a part of the, maybe you can call it, Leuphana family.
It's the first week of your study and it really sets the tone for what's going on in the next 6 semesters here on campus.
I think you should participate in the opening week because you're curious. Curious to see what it's like here at Leuphana, curious because you like to see what it's like to do science. Yeah, I think that's why you should participate, because you're curious.
I think intelligence now is a hype, and everybody is talking about what intelligence means in terms of machines.
What makes humans particularly intelligent is probably not what most people think it does. I think we're not particularly intelligent as individuals, but we are intelligent as a group.
Probably everybody has heard about swarm intelligence. So as a team we are more successful.
What makes us a society intelligent? I mean, society consists of millions of people. So how does society come up with solutions for urgent problems?
Why, despite human intelligence, are we not able to accept that we need to change something and that we need to learn from nature to have a sustainable future?
Maybe what is different about humans compared to other animals? I think these are very interesting questions that I hope we get a chance to dive into.
I think we sometimes speak of intelligence because we think like, hey, if we just come up with the most intelligent solution, everybody is happy.
Many people claim that there is intelligence in the machine, but is it really?